took a trade today, got stopped at break even. It was really like tight risk trade. And the reason I got stopped at break even was because my initial stop was above this inverse fair value gap, then below the inverse fair value gap, then I trimmed it to halfway point of this fair value gap on the 3 minute. Once we got like a nice push down here and we swept this. And yeah, to be honest, the reason I was so cautious with this one today was because of the fact that we'd just broken all-time highs on the markets. And as you can see, the time is like 10 past 11 New York time, so it's not really ideal, but yeah, so we got stopped out at break even, so there's no problem with this. And another thing being the actual risk to reward of the trade was 8.63 to 1, so you know it's a bit low probability and high chances that we get swept out again before a push down, because we got this imbalance here. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see that come down, push up, and then start moving down here. And yeah, so I had Powell speaking again today, and as you can see, the actual AM session was pretty choppy, very back and forth, and not really ideal. We'll just drag this out a little bit. So yeah, not really great stuff. And then pretty much as soon as I entered here, we got a bit of consolidation, pulled back, filled in this 3 minute after this market structure shift, 3 minute inverse here. And yeah, we got the push down and we swept those lows there, but because of the fact that Nasdaq was looking more like this, I was thinking, you know, maybe it's going to retrace off this and we'll see like an SMT type thing go on. But these London lows are looking like potential targets here, and it's kind of similar. We took the London low with this sweep, but as you can see, yeah, price is kind of moving in that direction. Whether or not I would have been stopped out on spread at this point, I don't know. But yeah, I think my stop loss for this was only like £31. It was literally like what I made the other day. So the risk to reward was very small, and for the 8.6 to 1, it was like £250 take profit. It's not really worth it when you weigh it up like that. And like just thinking about like where it's going to be in combination with that, obviously the PM session will likely see something happen, and really I do just want to see these 3 candles. I want to see a nice push up on today's one, and then a retracement back into this fair value gap, well, hopefully a fair value gap if this candle finishes bullish today. Did we actually even take all time highs? No, we didn't. Or did we? Okay, so Nasdaq broke all time highs today. Not the S&P, my fault. But yeah, it is one of those. It's a very low risk trade, very tightly managed, and I was, if I'm being honest, I was trimming the stock very aggressively, just because I was scared to lose my £30 that I made on Monday. Let's not lie about it. I was scared to lose what I made, and yeah, that's why I was so aggressive with the stop. And as you can see, we didn't lose anything on this, so it's trying to back up. I felt like we could have seen this trade up a bit higher. There's an absolute helicopter flying past my gaff right now. But yeah, it's one of those. I think just continue to wait, stay cautious and all. And yeah, this imbalance here is definitely target. So if I miss the trade, I'm not going to be worried about it. I'm not bothered about missing a trade, because there's always more. And yeah, just manage the risk. And that's going to do me for today. I think we've got one bit of red folder news tomorrow, and then I don't know. We'll just see how the rest of the week goes. So, with that being said, I'll catch you tomorrow. I'm gonna go get some bloody scran, mate.